Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello guys, welcome to Wood Kids Presents India Kids Summit 2020. I have with me none other than Mr. Shogato Bhomik. It's a pleasure having you over here, sir.
Thank you for having me here.
Sir, the first thing is that the kids economy, as we have seen in the last few years, has seen a tremendous growth compared to what we had seen in the early 2000s or something. So, what do you think has been the prime reason for this growth?
It's not just been one reason, there are many reasons. I think more and more parents, as affluency and as education grows up and as digital exposure moves up, they're more ready to invest in the learning, development and wholesome skill development for the children. And as a result, more and more branded services and environments like this, apps, both online services, offline services are opening up across the country to serve this need, which earlier was a more underserved area. So as a result, you're seeing a lot more money and discretionary income going into the kids environment. As you know, parents across the world and more so Indian parents are extremely focused on the learning and development for their for their kids, and parents are automatically spending most of the money there.
Yeah.
So that's why you can see a mushrooming of the kids related economy all across, whether it's in the field of education or skill building or sports or extracurriculars or the internet as well. So that's what's happening.
But this technology is something, sir, that can also be hazardous. A lot of people say there's a perception in the public in general that, if we integrate too much of technology with kids, it can be hazardous for them. So what do you think content creators and marketers need to do so that they can maintain the balance so that, it doesn't become hazardous for the children?
So it's an always on conversation, and this debate will never end. Let me try and just put a little light on it. Technology in itself is a great enabler. The internet in itself is a great enabler. What I think people often mistake when they say, or they misconstrue when they refer to internet not being great, is how you use it. How much time do you allow for the child to be on the net or to be using a device or to be using an app? What kind of content are you allowing your child to consume and is it an ad environment, ad supported environment, or an ad free environment? So all these questions, and what time of the day are you allowing your kid to go online? Is it during meal times or is it during fun times? A lot of people tend to also use the internet as a form of a side nanny when they want some free time. And as a result, when the child should be concentrating on the meal, they are actually concentrating on a screen, which is the part which is the incorrect usage. We as a brand on Wood Kids, we stand for safe internet usage, and we've built in a lot of features into our product that help the child and help the parent do that. But I think it's a long education process, and the internet is here to stay. The internet has a lot of benefits. The mobile screen has a lot of benefits, and I think this will only be improved over a period of time with more and more education along this matter.
And so talking about this particular event, we don't get to see too many events which is particularly focusing on the kids economy. So what do you have to say about this event in particular, and what are your expectations from this event?
No, it's great. I mean, it's the first edition of the India Kids Summit, and we are very proud and excited to be part of this and be associated with it. I think more and more such forums and industry gatherings should happen, because it's only through knowledge sharing, best practice sharing, problem sharing and forum building that you can actually work together to build the overall ecosystem of online and offline services for kids.
Absolutely.
Whether it's for kids or for any industry as such, the forum building is extremely important. I think kids has been a little late to the game, but I think with these kind of events, more and more of this should start happening.
As they say, better late than never. So, and sir, the last question before we wrap up, where do you see the kids economy going in the next few years?
Oh, I can rattle off enough facts and figures to tell you that it is only exploding, irrespective of any temporary speed bumps in the Indian economy. It is going to keep growing, whether it's hobbies and experiential events or educational games or learning and development area, or it's tutoring or even education space. All of that is moving up very, very fast, growing in value very, very fast, and I don't see anything changing in that. So it is poised to become a very large economy.
Sir, it's a pleasure talking to you, and I wish you have a great time going forward. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Pleasure, sir.